Hi there. I've always been passionate about flying since I was a kid, and I kept questioning myself. I flew on virtually everything from ultralight vehicles to turbojets, but at age 14, when I discovered helicopters, something clicked. And that's when I started asking. To fly an helicopter, you need a problem solver, a pilot, the cool guy. To make an helicopter, you need technical abilities, the one of an engineer. But who are the people that actually enable this machine to come to life? And to do so, you need a team that combines advanced problem solving and technical ability. And this is what we do at Manta Group. We make structures for these machines, and we make critical and structural parts, like tail booms, pilot doors, box doors, or radomes, and every single element that needs personalization. But the point is not only what we do, but how we do it. We combine tradition of our very experienced people that make things by hand together with technology. And this is what brought us to move to innovation. Innovation for us means that we have IoT systems in every single area of our plant, from the robots to the manual areas, and these give us real-time feedbacks on what's happening on the shop floor. And this enables us to intervene immediately on quality issues, maintenance issues, and every type of element that comes along. This approach allowed us, over the past 10 years, to outperform the market. I mean, our local market, of course, the Italian aerostructure market. And we did so in Italy, which is a country that might not be the biggest in terms of GDP, might not be the highest spender in aerospace and defense, but it is the second manufacturing country in Europe. It is a leader in the construction of helicopters. And together with this, we started looking at what's going to happen to the helicopter market and the aerostructure market over the next years. And all forecasts say that helicopter markets will surpass 150 billion and the aerostructures will surpass 200 billion. So where do we stand? We love flight. We want to make flight happen. We want to do so through innovation. We grew 5 times in the flight market, and we operate in a small and advanced market. What's next? Next is keeping growing at a higher pace. But the point is not only what, it's how. And how we want to do it, we want to boost our growth through an acquisition in USA. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks. Great job.